Is an expert in weather, though.
I mean, you got to think about that, though. I mean, what happens in space if somebody becomes sick or has some type of health emergency? Yeah, really interesting story there. We are tracking some pretty nice weather on the way here. Yesterday, beautiful afternoon. Next couple of days should also be very nice. Just a few high, thin cirrus clouds today. Just a bit more cloud cover around in the sky this afternoon. Still, though, temperatures running warmer than average for this time of year for Tuesday and Wednesday. Chilly mornings, but mild afternoons. Now, by the end of the week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, well, more rain is in the forecast. Even some chance we could see rain turn over to some winter weather by the time we work our way into the weekend. Live view from Mount Vernon this morning, looking back towards the south over I-64, I-57, Broadway there in the distance. Traffic moving along just fine as we are off to a pretty quiet start. Again, if you're heading out this morning, grab the coat. Temperatures are back into the upper 20s. Mount Vernon at 26, while Carbondale's at 28, Harrisburg's at 30, Paducah at 28 as well, and Sykeston currently at 34 degrees. And no real bitter Arctic cold across the middle of the country right now. Even to our north, Minneapolis 22 degrees in the first part of January. That's not too bad. Green Bay at 27, Chicago is at 28, and to our south, Little Rock at 38. So some warmer air trying to work its way north. We will see some of that warmer air actually make its way our way by, say, Thursday and Friday before it all comes to an end as we move into the weekend. Cold front to our east and to our southeast. High pressure starting to build in from the west right now. A few high clouds to our north, a few snow showers back into Nebraska. Those will stay to our north, out across northern Missouri, Iowa, and even into northern Illinois. We are expecting to stay dry here for the next few days thanks to high pressure. Light east winds around throughout the afternoon. By lunchtime, we'll be into the low to mid 40s, mostly sunny skies this afternoon. High temperatures coming up into the upper 40s. Yesterday, we were into the low 50s, so just a couple degrees cooler than yesterday afternoon. Partly and eventually becoming mostly cloudy skies through the evening hours. By midnight, we're dropping back to about the freezing mark. Some of those clouds that are starting to move in this evening will be associated with those snow showers to our north. Again, not expecting anything in the way of snow or even rain in the forecast for the next few days. So let's pick this up towards the end of the week. Now, this is Thursday at lunchtime. Here comes another cold front working its way closer and closer to our region. And by Thursday evening, quite a bit of wet weather on the way. In fact, some pretty heavy rainfall possible by Friday. We'll watch a secondary storm system right along this cold front and really shaping up Friday night and into Saturday to be a very wet time period. And there's even a chance as this system starts to wrap its way up and really pulls in some cold air on the backside that we could see a brief changeover to some snow before it all comes to an end. Bigger concern right now at this point is flooding rainfall. Not overly concerned with the potential for winter weather, but it is something we will be tracking this week. So heavy rain expected Friday night and into Saturday. The biggest concern will be flooding. We're talking possibly more than 3 inches of rainfall later this week and could potentially switch over to a light winter mix before it all comes to an end. Projected rainfall amounts, you can see now it's a little too early to say exactly how much rain everyone's going to see, but you can see some of that very heavy rain. You get in that purple color, that's 3 inches or more of rainfall right up the Mississippi River into our region in here for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So take advantage of some of the nice weather for the next couple of days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all very nice. Cool mornings, upper 20s, afternoon highs in the upper 40s. By Thursday afternoon, those showers making their way back into the forecast. It will be also pretty windy in here. Friday, 60 degrees, rain. Friday night into Saturday, heavy rain. Notice temperatures taking a nosedive there as well and could potentially switch over to some snow or ice even as this thing starts to wrap up Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Yeah, I saw the face there, Evie.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like the snow, but I don't like the ice.
Yeah, so then we get into Sunday. Sunday finally drying back out a little on the cool side with temperatures into the lower 40s. But this is a big storm system and across the mid-Mississippi Valley. So basically from our area to the north, we need to keep an eye on it. We're going to be very close on Saturday to some of these freezing lines.
Okay.
Somewhere there's an ice storm in this system. I really think it's likely going to be just to our north, but either way, it is something we'll be tracking this week.